Hi, I'm Rachel Zonshine. My husband is a professional musician and we go to a lot of concerts together. After hearing really great music live, it became important to us to try to reproduce those sounds as closely as we could in our home. After a lot of research, we found that vinyl was the way to go. We bought the best turntable and components we could afford and started buying records. We try to find discs in the best condition possible, but being that most of our buys are used, they have accumulated a significant amount of dirt, dust, and even mold. Record cleaners themselves can be costly, but we found a used spin clean record washer, and I'd like to show you how to use it. I found that if I'm going to clean records, I'm going to do a lot of them at one time, so storing them on this rack allows me to create a mini assembly line, thus saving me a bunch of time. I even tried to upgrade my own design by 3D printing one. It's a little on the small side and needs to go back for revisions. First, you're going to pour the distilled water into the spin clean unit, up to the line inside the basin. Then, put the brushes into the grooves that hold them, the fabric sides touching each other. Then, you want to put the wheels in the correct slots. There are 3 different sizes of albums, so there are 3 different slots. We like LPs, the largest of the discs, so we're going to put the wheels in the outermost slots. Finally, we're going to take a cap full of the cleaner and pour it directly on the brushes. So we're going to take our first record. We want to try avoid touching the album with our hands. We're going to slip the record between the brushes and onto the wheel. Then we're going to spin the record each direction 3 to 5 times, depending on how dirty the record is. Remove the record from the spin clean by the edges. Lightly dry off the records with a cloth before setting it down on another cloth. When it's resting, you can use some gentle pressure and rotate the cloth around the record in the direction of the grooves. Pick up the record by the edges and place it on the rack. You never want the record to be stored when damp. Well, you can tell that we take our records seriously, but we get a lot of enjoyment out of them. And while cleaning, we even listen to our favorite music in the process. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions or would like to say something, please leave me a comment below. Bye for now!